Wall Street closes higher on Monday, buoyed by the technological stocks. Netflix and Microsoft closes life high. Dow Jones Industrial Average closed 0.6%. S&P also closes 0.6%, and Nasdaq closes more than 1%. US President Donald Trump says he is set to sign an executive order restricting all temporary work visas, including H-1 visas. The move is expected to impact 2.4 lakh people from across the world, those who are seeking to work in the US. Moody's sees India's GDP contracting 3.1% in financial year 2020, and geopolitical tension raises uncertainty. UTI Asset Management Company, that is UTI Mutual Fund, gets SEBI approval for IPO. This is USD INR June future 30 minutes chart, and we have seen that in previous occasion when it was making inverse head and shoulder formation, taking a breakout near 75.80, we have mentioned that at least 76.40 is the achievable target, because the depth of the head from the neckline was just equal to the breakout level from the 75.80, that is 60 paisa. So 60 paisa was the depth of the head from the neckline, and exactly the same target was achieved now, and it is shying away from those kind of level, and in last 1 week at least it is moving in a range, and that range is well defined within the 75.10 to 76.10 to 76.40 kind of range. It was making sideways kind of formation. Now it is again approaching towards the crucial support level. So in today's trading session it will get supported near to around 75.89, and if it not, and below this level 75.80 will be the crucial support level for USD INR. This is Nifty 30 minutes candlestick chart, and we have seen that it had made actually a double top kind of formation in last trading session, and that will be important for today's trading session, crossing above, that is sustaining above 10,380 kind of level for at least half an hour, then only one can think of going long. Earlier we have mentioned that it was making a ascending triangle kind of formation, which bears a bullish connotation, and it moves in line with our expectation after breakout. So what will be the level to watch out for now? The gap area, which has been maintaining since very long, while falling market made a gap in the region of 10,300 to 10,335. That will again act as a resistance going forward, and if market moves up, then there will a double top kind of formations, which is coming around 10,380 kind of level. So from 10,330 to 10,380 will be a no man's land for today's trading session. Any fall below this 10,280 kind of level, that will mark that a beginning of a short term at least downtrend, because the double top formation will be confirmed, and at least we can see market correcting 100 points from there, and then below 10,140 will act as a strong support. This is Bank Nifty 30 minutes chart, and we can see here it is making a bearish kind of formation, bearish harmonic pattern, which we call bearish bat kind of formation, and any fall below 21,600 will mark that the beginning of a new at least downtrend, at least in a short term. So for today's trading session, 21,600 will be very important level to watch out for, or any fall below this, then we can see a cut towards 21,200, then again it's slipping towards the lower levels. So for today's trading session we should keep into mind 21,600 very important level in Bank Nifty, and if it did not fall and if it don't fall below this and sustain above this, then we should keep a stop loss of 21,600 for any long trade.
If you find any meaningful information in this video, then subscribe my channel and press bell icon to get future notification.